हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज, एंड वेलकम बैक। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू एवरीवन। एंड आई नो गाइज, इट इज अ लिटिल बिट लेट. I had my exams. You guys know the drill. We have been busy. You guys know I've been totally busy. And my Instagram fantastic fan will know everything. I've started to post a little bit of my reels that I usually post on my Insta over here as well, so that my fantastic fam over here can be updated. So let me know if you guys like those reels and if you want me to make more shorts over here as well. And if you don't know, I have an Instagram account, farhana. It's my official account and I usually post there a lot and a lot about my daily life and stuff. So if you guys want to know all about me and all of my daily life stuff, then head over there and follow me on my Instagram. So fantastic. Now after that long intro, today's video is about store-bought slime. So I've given this poll in my community tab and so many of you guys wanted me to try store-bought slimes or Amazon slimes. I've actually bought some of the Amazon slimes and they have taken a long time to be delivered. So yeah, that video is a bit overdue, but I hope you guys are patient enough and you guys are waiting. So yeah, I will post that video really soon. Until then, I am making this video and I have found some really cute slime in Jaipur and I would like to show you guys and I would like to review that slime. So I really wanted to review it with you guys and see if this is actually good slime or if it's just normal factory made slime and if it's not that great. So yeah, let's see. I'm really excited to share and review these slimes with you guys. So without talking too much, let's get started with the video. So these are the store-bought slimes that I have purchased. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but this is the first time that I've seen these kinds of literally beautiful slimes in store. These look so cute. Oh my god, can you guys see the glitter? So these two are the slimes that I've bought today. So yeah, let's open them and let's see what are the things that we get in this. So I bought this in a store in which both of them was for 99 rupees, this one for 99 and this one for 99. So this is a pretty expensive slime. This is 100 rupees slime. It is expensive, I guess, but it's really not at the same point. So let's see, for 100 rupees, what do we get in a slime? So yeah, let's open this. So we have a compartment above the slime over here. So let's open this. I think this has some add-ons. We get a add-on of unicorn, I guess, or a pony. I am already really happy with the add-ons. These are pretty good quality add-ons. The loam beads and the charm, the charm is a very good size and it's really cute. Look at it. So now let's see the slime's quality. So it is an ombre slime, as you guys can see. It is in the shade of yellow and it goes from a deeper yellow shade to basically white shimmer. So yeah, let's see how it actually looks. Oh my god. Wow. Let me oh my god, you guys, can you see that? I think you guys can see this. Oh my god. So as you guys can see, it's literally super beautiful. Can you guys see? Oh my god. It's so nice. And it's actually in a pretty good condition, which is a really big shock. Can you guys see that? The slimes tend to, melt over time. I have bought the slime 2-3 months ago and it's still fully intact and in a really good condition. I'm super impressed. Oh my god. I really would like to recreate something like this. Oh my god. Like, it is a really good slime for the pokes. Now let's see if it can actually make a swirl or not. And let me tell you guys, this video is not sponsored at all. Like, I have seen these in, like, you know, a store, and can you guys see, it does make a very nice slime swirl. I love it. Basically, it does, you know, breaks when you stretch it, like, you know, too forcefully like this. It will break, of course, but if you handle it gently like this, it won't break. Like, it really won't. And it does make amazing pokes, so you really can't complain. Oh my god. Now let's just add some foam beads and some charms to it, and all of it is going to be, most of it, like, I'll try my best to not speak, but most of it is going to be ASMR, so make sure you increase your volumes and, you know, enjoy this ASMR. Let's see, I'll just fast forward it for you guys. Can you guys see how cute? Oh my god. So yeah, fantastics, that was it in today's really short video. I hope you liked this video, and if you want me to try more slimes, then let me know in the comment section below which types of slimes you want me to try and other video ideas that you want me to make. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.